Now, welcome back. You're watching Lunchtime News on KBC Channel 1. Now, the Kenya Bureau of Standards Chairperson Chris Wamalwa says the standards body has rolled out a welding certification scheme in efforts to align local welding trainings with the best global practices and open up employment opportunities for local welders.
Kenya Bureau of Standards said the certification will ensure Kenyan welding professionals attain global recognition and tap into the immense job opportunities. The Kenya Bureau of Standards chairperson say accreditation of welding technicians is crucial for quality and safe structure developments in the country.
Na wengine wako half-baked. Na sasa hivi ukiangalia housing, which is a critical industry right now, unaona many buildings are collapsing. Watu wengi wanakufa. Na sisi kama KEBs tunaangalia mambo ya safety na quality.
The Kenya Bureau of Standards will collaborate with institutions of higher learning to issue the welding certification that will be valid for 3 years.
Kuna zile standards zenye kila country lazima i-attain. Uki-attain hiyo standard in terms of manpower, utapata kazi kila mahali.
The students who are certified have recognition for competence to welding, and this recognition is acceptable globally.
They were speaking during the signing of a memorandum of understanding between the Kenya Bureau of Standards and the Kenya Industrial Training Institute on welders accreditation.
Market out there is looking for certified professionals. You can be a professional trained, but the accreditation that you'll be giving through this certification to welders will give the confidence to the market out there and also to the local employers.
Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime News.